Hi, this is Nadia Sabardi from CreateWealthWithNadia.com. How is everyone doing today? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today I want to talk to you all about attraction marketing and what is attraction marketing principle. And I remember when I first started my online journey almost 4 years ago, I had no idea what was attraction marketing. I came from a medical background. I couldn't find a job. I couldn't find a job and I was in desperation mode. And anyway, I found attraction marketing. And I started doing attraction marketing, and I had no idea what it was. I had to research, Google, figure out how to do attraction marketing, right? And once I started implementing attraction marketing, boom, guess what? I started building a huge audience. I started attracting people to me. So now let's jump into attraction marketing. And what is attraction marketing? Now, attraction marketing principles is where you attract people to you. And now, how do you attract people to you? You're going to attract people to you by leading with value, right? Because remember, people don't come on social media to buy products and services. They come to social media to connect, to engage, to make friends. That's what they come to social media for, in a nutshell. So when you implement attraction marketing, people are going to start noticing you. And how are they going to start noticing you? By you leading with value, by you attracting them to you, by the content you are creating, by the value you're delivering, right, guys? And this is pretty much what attraction marketing is. So now, if you're not building your personal brand, if you're not going live, if you are not leading with value, you're not implementing attraction marketing, guys, and you're not going to be able to make money. When you implement attraction marketing, it shows that you are transparent. It shows that you are authentic. It shows that you are a real, genuine person, right? And people, that's how they're going to know, like, and trust you, by you delivering value, right? So when you're delivering value, guys, and another thing, when you create content and someone see you, right, 1 or 2 or 3 times, it don't stick. You have to be in their face every single day, especially if you are a new marketer. Well, I've been doing this close to 4 years. So I have tons and tons of content. But yeah, guys, this is how I started attracting people to me, by delivering tons and tons of value. I remember when I first started my online journey, right? I couldn't find a job, guys. I have 5 degrees. They're all in, well, 4 of them is in the medical background. I couldn't find a job. And when I did find a job, $12.50 an hour. I was in desperation mode. And one day I saw someone who was telling his story on Facebook. I'm not kidding. And I was like, who is this guy? But the thing is, his story resonated with mine, right? And he was doing attraction marketing because he was doing videos and he attracted me. I had no idea who he was, but I was in desperation mode. So because I couldn't find a job, no one would hire me, guys. I flew cross country. I was like, I could not find a job. They want 3 to 5 years experience. Where the heck am I going to get 3 to 5 years experience? And no one would hire me. So I ended up calling him that night and I was like, what do you do? And he's like, Nadia, nice to meet you. I do attraction marketing. I was like, what is attraction marketing? I swear, I didn't even know what was attraction marketing. Guys, I have a medical background. I didn't know what was any kind of marketing, online marketing, affiliate marketing. I didn't know any of these things. I swear to you guys, I didn't know anything. So I ended up joining him that night with my last $150 that I had in the bank, right? Because I was in desperation mode. I was like, what am I going to do? I couldn't get a job. It was bad. This was almost 4 years ago. 2016. Yeah, we're in 2020. It was really bad. So I contacted him and he's like, Nadia, I do attraction marketing. But he didn't explain to me what was attraction marketing. But he was using MLSP, and that's what MLSP teaches, right? So a lot of top leaders, they're coming from MLSP. So I ended up joining him that night. And for 2 weeks, I didn't do any videos. I was like scared, guys. I was like, oh my God, I got to do videos. I didn't even know what was Facebook Live. So he called me up 2 weeks after and he's like, listen, you need to start going live. And I was like, what am I going to talk about? Guys, my videos was bad in the beginning. He was like, go live and introduce yourself. I went live, 2, 3, 1, boom, and I'm live. And I froze up. I forgot my name. I forgot what was I supposed to say, But once I started, guys, my videos were really, really, really bad in the beginning. I didn't even know how to create content. I knew nothing like what I'm doing now. Nothing. I didn't even know how to build a team. I didn't even know how to recruit people on social media. Yeah, for 6 months I made no money, but I didn't give up. I kept on implementing attraction marketing. I knew I was weak at doing videos because I knew, because I was following MLS platform, and I was following all the trainings they had in there, and I started learning a lot, right? So, and I started doing videos every day, guys. I started with like a 2-minute video, and then my videos started getting better and better and better. And what I really did was, I had no coach back then. I didn't even have the money to invest in a coach the first 6 months working online. I mean, I was broke. I didn't make money for the first 6 months, but I kept on doing videos. I started going on YouTube. I started Googling topics. Guys, some of my topics when it came to branding back then, I didn't even know what was personal branding. I was creating topics about branding your company. I swear, I had no idea. And some of my videos were crappy, but you know what? Now that when I look back at those videos, how far I've came in like close to 4 years, I was like, oh my God, if I didn't take massive action and put myself out there and do these videos, I would have never been able to get on all these leaderboards. And that's the truth. So, guys, I recommend learn how to create content, because right now, 35 million people are out of a job. I'm getting tons of coaching clients. People who have never done marketing before. And they're not going for like a 1 month of coaching package or 6 weeks, because I have 3 different packages. They're going for the 3 months coaching packages. And these are people I don't even, like, I'm meeting them now. But they've been watching me. They've been following me because I'm on LinkedIn. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Instagram. Where am I? I'm everywhere. And I'm constantly, you know what I'm doing? When I create a piece of content, I'm using that same content and I'm syndicating it on all the platforms. And I'm delivering value. I'm personally branding myself, and I'm giving them tips. I'm giving them value, and I'm also incorporating attraction marketing. Guys, this is what did it for me. I'm not kidding. I had to get over my fears. I couldn't find a job. I was terrified. You know what I did the first month to go live? I made a list of 30 topics, and that's what I'm giving my brand new coaching clients, because they're terrified. They never did marketing. And before I can actually teach them really how to create content, I want them to get comfortable. Just like doing a 30-day, do videos for 30 days. And then on the second month, then I start jumping into real content creation. But first, I want to get them comfortable being in front of a camera, right? And it's not easy, guys. It's not easy. People are terrified to go live. But I'm being honest with you guys as a leader. Yolanda knows me very well. Yolanda and I met. Yolanda joined me in one of this opportunity. 6 months I started working online. I hit 3 leadership ranks. I earned a cruise and a bonus. Ask Yolanda. She knows. Yolanda has known me for a long time, since I actually started working online, right? So she goes, oh my God, I remember when I started. Oh my God, Yolanda, remember you didn't do any videos then? And I was like, you gotta do videos. And you're like, I'm trying. I was like, just do it. But guys, we all start at the bottom. None of us is perfect. We all had to start at the same place. And you know what? The more you do it, the better you're gonna become, and the more confident you're gonna get. Now, when it comes to confidence, is something is not created. In order for you to have confidence, you need to take action every single day. Guys, even if it's one little video you're doing, for like 2 minutes, that 2 minutes is going to go into 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and that's how it's going to go, right? So I recommend, guys, you guys, look, 35 million people lost their jobs. Guys, I'm getting coaching clients. And they're paying me for 3 months of coaching. These people have no experience in marketing. None. No experience at all. And this is just the beginning. That's why I want you guys to start learning these skills now. I want to help you guys. And this is what, why you guys are in this group. Because listen to me. I'm creating leaders. I'm not creating followers. And if you are a follower, you're not going to make it in this online space. You have to learn how to teach. You have to learn how to lead a team. Guys, it's hard what we do. But you know what? Take little steps, little baby steps at a time. And I have faith in all of you. Each and every one of you can do it. Let me give you guys a shout out. So, hey, Ira, what's going on, my friend? Absolutely. Yes, guys, it's true. Listen, this is what did it for me. Okay, October 24th is going to make it my 4-year anniversary working online. And I've been on the leaderboard for every company I've ever joined. All my results are documented. All of them. You guys can even go to my business page and read all my testimonials. I have tons and tons of testimonials on my business page from people that I've taught, from coaching clients, and all of this stuff. Guys? So all I'm saying is get over your fears. Learn how to create content, guys, because content is what's going to attract people to you. And you got to touch on their pain points. Their pain points are right now as we speak, 35 million lost their jobs. They don't have a job. Us as entrepreneurs, we are problem solvers and we have to solve their problems. How are we going to solve their problems? We're going to show them how they can earn an income online. Right, guys? So start creating content towards that. Start implementing attraction marketing ASAP, guys. Because let me tell you something. By November or December, unemployment is going to run out. And then what? Then what? They're going to apply for another unemployment? Who knows if they're going to get it? Right now, I just heard someone that posted something on TikTok, a lawyer, yeah, because I'm on TikTok. There are tons and tons of lawyers, medical people on there. A lawyer just posted something about the $2,000 stimulus check. She goes, that's not happening. So everyone got the $1,000 stimulus check, right? They're not getting the $2,000 stimulus check. What's going to happen, guys? What's going to happen? People who have money right now, they're going to be paying for coaching, especially when they have absolutely no experience in marketing. Put yourself out there, guys. Start doing attraction marketing. Start helping these people. You got to be in their face. You got to be constantly. You got to be in their face every single day. People don't catch on to you right away. I've had people that's been watching me for a year, and when I launched my boot camps, they sent me a message and they paid to join because I charge for when I do trainings, I charge. I don't do boot camps for free. I charge a fee. I charge $60. And then, I train. You know what I mean? So, guys, there's a lot of money to be made right now. Step up your game. Start doing attraction marketing. All right? So, let me see. Ira is here. Hey, Hikmet, what's going on, my friend? Hey, Yolanda, what's up, beautiful? Hey, Sajida. Let me see. Yolanda, attract marketing rocks. Yes, that's true. 2+ years ago. Yes, Yolanda. Oh, yes. Remember, Yolanda? It was 2+ years ago when you joined me on that opportunity, right? And that was the first time, guys. That was the first time I hit 3 leadership ranks. And then the month after that, I did a boot camp. I hit the leadership rank in MLSP. And then the month after that, I hit another leadership rank in MLSP. That's when I started making money online. So I started making money online exactly 6 months. Exactly 6 months before. But I was doing attraction marketing videos. Guys, my content wasn't perfect. I couldn't even look into the camera. I was like looking everywhere because my heart was like beating so fast that I can hear it in my ear. But you guys got to get over your fears, guys. I am not kidding. Look, 35 million people lost their jobs. Now it's time to get over your fears. Be that leader who you were meant to be. Guys, and I have faith in each and every one of you. I was scared, but look at, oh my God, I know you were scared. I was scared too. Oh my gosh, Yolanda, when I look back at my videos, I'm embarrassed to show it to people. I swear, I'm embarrassed now to show it to people. But you know what? I kept them and I'm going to show those videos because I want people to see that to become confident is built over time. And when I challenged myself that month and I did 30 videos, guys, my fear went away. My fear went away and I started attracting people to me, So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Yolanda said, as an entrepreneur, we get paid to solve problems. Yes, we get paid to solve problems. People don't come to social media to buy products or services. People want to know how you can help them. How can you solve their problems, right, guys? So think about that. Think about how you're going to solve their problems, And it's so important, guys. I know what I'm saying. A lot of people lost their jobs. Guys, when you do attraction marketing, you're going to reach millions and millions and millions of people. Look, I created one piece of content on my business page. Guess what? And I didn't even run any ads or anything like that. I got 63,000 views and about 200 and something comments and about 200 and something likes. And I didn't even spend one dime, guys. I didn't even spend one dime on advertising. And I don't even know who these people are. I have no idea who these people are. I could show you guys my results. I have results to back me up. So people are watching you. They're watching everything you're doing. And they're following you. So when they feel like they can learn from you, and when they feel like you're the leader that can teach them and lead them the way, guess what? Boom, 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 boom. They're going to start coming to you, and you're going to see how fast you're going to start making money. I'm not kidding. I'm being as transparent as I can and real as I can. Yes, I did a 30-day live video challenge on myself and I built confidence. Thank you, Yolanda. thank you guys. That's what I did. That's what I did. Even though I had to drink a glass of wine every day to like help me because I was terrified. I was terrified. I was terrified like most of you guys in my audience. But the fact that I started doing them every single day, I became obsessed with doing videos because I knew in order for me to reach millions and millions and millions of people, I had to start going live. And guys, that's what I've been doing. And I'm happy. I am so grateful to God that I was introduced to this online space and I had to learn fast. I'm not struggling now. All these people lost their jobs. They're waiting for the government to depend on them. I'm not struggling. My business is booming, you know? And I just wanted to share that with you guys. So listen, I love you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you all so much for joining me. And I will see you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to give you some more tips and strategies to build your business online. Bye, everyone.